Russia's Zservers sanctioned by US, UK, and Australia for aiding LockBit ransomware. Cryptocurrency. Ransomware. Russia. The US, UK, and Australia sanctioned Russia-based Zservers for aiding LockBit ransomware, freezing assets and blacklisting administrators involved in the operation. Last updated, February 12, 2025. Journalist. Hassan Shittu. Journalist. Hassan Shittu. Author categories. About author. Hassan, a cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. February 12, 2025 at 12:43 GMT+2. Why trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. The United States, United Kingdom, and Australia have jointly imposed sanctions on Zservers, a Russia-based bulletproof hosting, BPH, service provider accused of facilitating ransomware operations, particularly for the notorious LockBit ransomware group. The U.S. Department of the Treasury's Office of Foreign Assets Control, OFAC, Australia's Department of Foreign Affairs and Trade, and the UK's Foreign, Commonwealth and Development Office announced the sanctions on February 11th, targeting Zservers, its administrators, and associated entities. As part of the crackdown, the sanctions impose asset freezes, travel bans, and restrictions, cutting Zservers off from the global financial system. They also blacklist Zservers administrators, Alexander Igorevich Mishin and Alexander Sergeyevich Bolshakov, along with several individuals linked to LockBit. Furthermore, blockchain analytics firm Chainalysis has reported that OFAC has added multiple cryptocurrency wallets tied to Zservers and its administrators to its specially designated nationals, SDN, list. Zservers and LockBit. What is the connection? Zservers, headquartered in Barnaul, Russia, has been operating as a bulletproof hosting service provider, advertising its services on cybercriminal forums. These services are designed to shield criminal activities from law enforcement through anonymous and resilient hosting solutions. According to investigators, Zservers' infrastructure has been directly linked to LockBit ransomware operations. LockBit, a ransomware-as-a-service (RAS) operation first identified in 2019, has gained notoriety for its widespread attacks on corporations, government institutions, and financial entities worldwide. Authorities report that Zservers leased infrastructure to LockBit affiliates and provided IP addresses used to facilitate communication between attackers. A 2022 investigation by Canadian law enforcement also uncovered a laptop connected to a Zservers subleased IP address, which was actively operating LockBit malware. Evidence suggests that Zservers continued to enable these operations by frequently reassigning IP addresses to LockBit affiliates when previous addresses were flagged for malicious activity. Furthermore, Chainalysis traced at least $5.2 million in on-chain transactions linked to Zservers, indicating that multiple ransomware groups beyond LockBit had utilized its services. Zservers reportedly processed funds through high-risk platforms, including the sanctioned Russian exchange Garantex, which has been accused of lax Know Your Customer, KYC, compliance, allowing illicit funds to flow undetected. LockBit crime empire is slowly crashing. The joint sanctions imposed on Zservers by the US, UK, and Australia aim to weaken the infrastructure supporting ransomware operations. OFAC's action against Mishin and Bolshakov highlights the growing focus on targeting individuals responsible for enabling cybercriminal activities. Mishin, identified as a key figure in managing Zservers operations, has allegedly facilitated cryptocurrency transactions tied to ransomware operations. In 2023, both Mishin and Bolshakov were reported to have reassigned IP addresses to LockBit affiliates after a Lebanese company flagged a Zservers-linked address concerning a ransomware attack. Notably, a report in December last year showed that U.S. authorities had charged Rostislav Panov, a dual Russian-Israeli national, for his alleged role as a key developer for the LockBit ransomware group. Panov was accused of creating malware that disabled security systems and executed ransomware attacks worldwide. Law enforcement linked him to over $230,000 in cryptocurrency payments allegedly tied to LockBit. His lawyer argues that Panov was unaware of how his software was used and has cooperated with investigators. The DOJ has requested his extradition as officials continue efforts to dismantle LockBit's operations, which have targeted high-profile organizations like Boeing and the UK Royal Mail. LockBit, active since 2019, has attacked over 2,500 victims in 120 countries, encrypting data and demanding ransoms. Authorities have since charged additional Russian nationals, including alleged LockBit leader Dmitry Koroshev, for whom a $10 million bounty has been placed. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. Former base team launches blue-chip token backed by Coinbase Ventures. SEC likely to acknowledge XRP and Dogecoin ETF applications this week. Analyst XRP price set to explode to $10. Attorney predicts lawsuit will end before ETF approval. Altcoin news. Trump's crypto project unveils strategic token reserve macro strategy. 6 hours ago, by Suja Sundararajan. Bitcoin news. Solo Bitcoin miner has mined an entire Bitcoin block worth $300,000. 1 day ago, by Tanzil Akhtar. Altcoin news. Crypto prices dip as Trump's metal trade tariffs weigh on markets. 2 days ago, by Shalini Nagarajan. Altcoin news. Grayscale files for Spot Cardano ETF, first ADA-based investment vehicle. 1 day ago, by Suja Sundararajan. Bitcoin news. North Carolina and Florida push for Bitcoin reserves. 1 day ago, by Hassan Shittu.